Hi, Cole. I wanted to do this little video to help you with the problems. Now, when we're doing the Roman numerals, remember the m is 1,000. I think you know that. So let's not worry about that part. So let's get to the nitty-gritty of it. So if you have a large number like this one, let me change the color a little bit. If you have a large number followed by a small number, you add. So this would be 1,000 for the M plus 500 for the D, okay? Now, if you had, let's say down here, a large number preceded by a small value, you would have to subtract. So the large number is L, and that's 50. You subtract the value of the X from it, okay? So now we're going to keep going. When you're using the Roman numerals, you can only use them 3 times consecutively. You're using 3 C's consecutively. So if you wanted to write, let's say 400, you couldn't use 4 C's consecutively, okay? So when you add these together, this adds up to 300. Remember, this is addition as long as you're going from large numbers to small numbers. It's all addition. The L is 50. The X's are each 10, so that's 20. And then finally you have the V, which is 5. So you just add all this up. 1,500, 1,800 plus 50, that's 1,850, 1,870, and then 1,875 when you add it all up. 1,875. Just grab your calculator. Throw this into your calculator. Let the calculator figure it out, okay? All right, now this next one right here, L, represents 50. And again, you have a large number followed by a small number. So you add the value of that small number. In this case, it's 5. And then these two right here, the 2 I's represents 2. So you just add it all up. So you get, let's see here, 57. Okay? Now, finally, number 13, you have an MD. M is 1,000. D is 500. The 2 C's represent 200. And I just told you about 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is going to give you 40. So that's XL right here. That represents 40. And then IV is another one you have to be careful with because you have a large number in front of a small number. So you're going to have to subtract. So you're going to have to do 5 minus 1, which is 4. So you add all this up, 1,500. This is supposed to be 200 right there. Okay, 1,744. 1,744. I hope this helps. And that was able to, I was able to answer your question. I will see you next week. Bye.